I have clicked new position. Yeah, that's about all right. New position. There's a few reasons actually. Do you know, I like doing circuitry. How did I manage that? Loads of reasons, but it's like I'm already planning on, actually, I might as well just use this, aren't I? I'm going to take and I'll show you. So other views, or where my chair is there with jeans, on table over there where you can see green line. So now it's like there. It doesn't look anywhere near as big. That's 8 foot, you know, 8 foot. That's a good old size. So thinking much further in future, and for other reasons which will shortly come along, there's going to be, I'll go back again, there's going to be an extension on the side of the wall there, going outside of that wall. Stuff will be moved, don't worry. Outside of that wall, and now there's a door, isn't there? Now, there's a door, and to about there on the door, there'll be back end of another table sort of thing, but I'll have to work out because it'll have to flip up or down, but I don't know. Anyway, it's a long way off. Is that long way off? I've got some good folks who'll help with that. And next bit is outside. Well, I put my blinds on a bit now, but at the top of there, through there, does it zoom in this? Oh, it does. Through there, can you see it? Through there, there's a window, and I get spied on, and I'm paranoid. I don't like that. I don't like people seeing me. Anyway, it's all echoing now. Neighbours have probably got the glass tip wall listening, aren't they? Well, I do with them when sex goes on, you know. Right, and anyway, that's only a couple of minutes. But I haven't finished. I'm going to explain something else. My first engine, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it, right? And I've learned so much of it. So I'm only going to sell it because I've just learned so much. I've glued that section, platform down because it was bouncing up like a banana. PVA, and this is going to be all painted over with black stuff like tar. Thing is, I might have moved it when I moved the table. I'm not sure. Yeah, I did. But I'm getting rid of subways because it wouldn't have been. I've explained that before. Right. I've had my Bradford Ilkley. They've done it right, Ilkley on the first class bit. I've had that running all over. Some flickering only when it's really slow. It doesn't half creep and go slow. But it's like yeah, I'm not putting any coaches on it. You know, you've seen it. Sorry, no, it needs to be that one. No, it needs to be that one. We'll come back to it. That. And it just, you know, it can just stagger. And I've been told, you know, railroads, they really are just, the railroads really are kind of like, that's it. You know, the absolute beginner stuff. So, you know, I've got a DCC, I've got it rigged up, didn't I? But it's like, if you know that track and that track, or middle ones pass both ways and stuff, whatever. This is going to be an express train and stuff. But I just, you know, that's not particularly slow. And it's not stalled whatsoever. How odd. How odd. Yeah. That's really weird. I bet it can't pull coaches. That will be it, there's no coaches. I'll see if I can get it a bit slower going on here. Then I'll put coaches on. It might be that. I just need to know if it's that, you know, or if it really can't go slow, you know. That thing's been amazing. But at the same time, you know, middle line you should never really go. It probably won't go slow, it's a through line, but wow. It can't pull them, it must be. I'll be right with you, hang on a tick. When I moved all this stuff, it was like I'd done some circuit training. You know, I thought I'm going to need some kind of oxygen tent, so I went out on my bike, you know, I'm trying to do some positive things. Hang on. It's coaches, it won't do it, will it? Well, that was just two, weren't it? Let's see. You know, I do like the sound it makes and things, but I'm going to slow it down again. It can't pull, it's coaches. Pointless, absolutely pointless. So, I'm not even going to keep it for sentimental value because it did what it did and I just don't want it anymore. So I will be getting, you know, stuff that will sort of work on my train set. I mean, when it eventually over months and ages away goes over there, down there, then that's not going to do it. 10 on that one. So it really is a beginner's engine on a pretty simple oval, you know, sort of thing. I kept that 10:30 on. I just went on a bit too long.